Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video I am going to show you how to hide the taskbar in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so taskbar is basically, you can see the bottom line of the operating system, Windows operating system. So here you can see like various icons like Google Chrome, Microsoft Word and all. Okay, so if you want to basically hide this taskbar, means what you have to do is press the Windows key button in your keyboard, and here you can select settings. You can click on settings, and here you can navigate to personalization. So here you can see various options like background, colors, themes, lock screen, touch keyboard, start, and taskbar, fonts, device usage. Okay, so here you can see the option called taskbar. You can click on this particular taskbar, and here you can navigate to taskbar behaviors. So once you navigate to taskbar behaviors, so here you can see an option called automatically hide the taskbar. Okay, suppose if you don't want to see this taskbar, means if you want to hide this taskbar, means you have to select the option with tick mark, hide the taskbar. Automatically it will hide the taskbar. Again, if you deselect this option, means again it will show the taskbar in Windows operating system. Okay, so this is how you can hide and unhide the taskbar in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.